The bottom sirloin tri-tip, or tri-tip, is located in the lower back region. A boneless cut which weighs between 1.4 to 2.4 kilograms, or 3 to 6 pounds, consisting of the triangular portion tensor fascia lata found on the bottom sirloin. In some regions of North America, the tri-tip is an underutilized cut that has similar flavor characteristics as the top sirloin with a high yield and minimal labor requirements. Well marbled, it is suited for grilling, roasting, and sautéing applications. The tri-tip is an easy muscle to work with. Consistent grain direction for carving makes it a consumer-friendly product. Traditionally for roasting applications, simply trim any loose ends and remove heavy connective tissue. To create a consumer-friendly product intended to satisfy the needs of the light or occasional beef consumer, simply portion the trimmed tri-tip in half. Utilizing the JetNet system, process each piece. You can create a 500 gram or 1 pound quick roast intended to be cooked in under 1 hour, or produce smaller grilling medallion steaks that can be sliced into desired thickness and achieve required price points. A versatile product that would enhance any fresh marinating program. Marinating strips and diced beef are options as well, either utilizing the full muscle or from the trimmed product created. The bottom sirloin tri-tip, a unique cut and highly regarded for its flavor. An opportunity to create a point of differentiation in your counter.